He was an ardent football fan. He watched every game, followed every player, and tried to call most of the plays. Does ardent mean eager, ridiculous, average, or part-time? This sentence uses clues of information. Even if we don't know what ardent mean, the sentence supplies us with examples of how this fan acted. Specifically, he watched every game, followed every player, and tried to call most of the plays. This behavior describes a passionate or avid fan, which must be what ardent means. Let's take a look at our choices and see which one best matches our definition. Eager sounds to be just what we're looking for, but we're going to go on just in case. Ridiculous does not match our definition and can be marked off. Average and part-time both don't reflect the obsessive behavior described in the sentence, and therefore we are left with A, eager, our final answer.